sir.
I was asking you, implement parsing or all examples with the help of converting, I hope, right? Am I right?
Converting.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, I think
Yes.
so completed,
Yes, sir. Completed.
yeah, that is important. See, one thing I'm telling you, uh, as well as simultaneous like regular attendance, similarly regular lab attendance. Regular lab attendance is important here. Then only you can expect the results. Connectivity, lot of connectivity will be there. Class will go 1 hour, but you have to sit at home 4-5 hours for work. Okay, lab book is there. Different, even the not covered concepts also you have to try. And as well as you have C-sharp book. You have to see the next level what I am going to teach. You have to refer. Interview question bank. 3 books you have to simultaneously refer. Okay. Boxing and unboxing. Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type. Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type. Okay. What are value types? What are reference types? We remembered.
Yes, sir.
Shiva, you tell me, give me value types, some of value types in .NET, which is,
Floating point, character, and numerical data type.
you can say
It's 1, 2, 3 for value types.
structure and enumerators are value types. In structure,
Yes, sir.
primitive types 1, 2, 3, 4. Floating point, numerical type, character, and logical are
Character and logical.
value types. Now, next unboxing. Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type. Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type. So boxing and unboxing. Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type. These two concepts we will not use right now. We will use future. Up to that I'll give you only syntax. But remember, now Seventy, tell me what is boxing?
Boxing is a process of converting from value type to reference type.
What is unboxing?
Unboxing is a process of converting from reference type to value type.
Value type. Coming to syntax. Syntax for, see, both concepts we have the same syntax. I'm introducing today this. We will use in future. But up to that you remember, uh, by default type conversion is implicit. Whenever particular type conversion is not possible with implicit, we will go with the parsing. When we will go for parsing? Whenever particular type conversion is not possible with implicit. Then if
Implicit.
particular typecasting is not possible with parsing, we go with converting. Then we
Converting.
go for boxing and unboxing. When particular type conversion is not possible with the converting, then we will go next level called what? Boxing and unboxing.